how to quickly change your Wi-Fi network on your Android device. Oddly, how to quickly switch between Wi-Fi networks is not very obvious. Everyone knows you can go to settings, network and internet, then to Wi-Fi, and then change your Wi-Fi network there. But there is a faster way to do it, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, straight into it. First, swipe down twice from the top of your screen to open the quick settings menu. And instead of tapping on the Wi-Fi icon, which disables it, tap and hold on the icon. You'll immediately be given a list of all the networks. In your vicinity, and you can easily change between available networks. And that's what it takes to quickly change your Wi-Fi network on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel and like the video. And please let me know if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.